When you want to make a model, where do you find information to make sure that what you create is as good as it can be? Hi, welcome back to St Blazing Model World. Over the summer I produced a number of videos giving you information about detailing model buses and also creating your own Code 3 service vehicle model buses from ready produced mainstream manufactured models. Now, as a result of those videos, I've been asked by a number of YouTubers about sources of information, and of course there are a great many photographs out there and a number of books that you can use to find out how these service vehicles and buses looked in real life in everyday conditions, rather than the somewhat sterile models that you buy direct from manufacturers. So I thought I'd share with you now a number of my own photographs, starting with some bus depots and some service vehicles, to give you sources of information of your own, and simply pause the screen, and if you have a printer, print off the picture, and it will give you some information about how these buses and depots actually looked. I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. It's free to do so, and if you hit the bell icon as well, you'll get an alert every time a new program is released. This costs you nothing, but it does help me grow my channel. Okay, let's get on. Now, I started my career in the NBC, National Bus Company era, and there are a few examples of NBC depots and service vehicles, also London Transport, and there are one or two examples of independent operators, and of course they don't really have access to the same sort of facilities as the big players have had in the industry down through the years. So here we go. And I've made a point in these videos of not covering them in captions. Everybody can recognise a full transit van and so on, but the depots I have put just a caption of the location on, just for those that are interested. I hope you enjoy it. It's been a while since the last video. There'll be some more coming soon. Take care.